Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on off silent notification on Android. Silent notification is an absence notification, but you don't get a pin or time. Only way to know you have a notification by simply pulling down or drop down menu. And here you can see the notification, but it is under silent notification and it's not alerting notification. You can't change this for all apps at once. You need to change it one by one. Tap and hold the notification. You can switch it from silent to default. Then tap on apply and it has moved the notification of app from silent to alerting. It is easy to turn it off and turn on. If your app is sending too many notifications, you don't wanna stop getting notifications completely, you can turn them to silent notification. And this is how we turn or turn off silent notification on Android. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.